Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English language instructor, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important thing. And what I mean by a very important thing is actually a very important thing. Thing and stuff. Thing. So, thing is a very important thing in English language. This feels a bit weird saying this, but it is actually a very important lesson in English language. And for natives or for people who want to speak English in a more native or a more natural way, they have to know about both of these things and their usages, or both of these words and their usages. They are very important words in English language. So, why not to get started with them, and why not to understand with them? Thing. As we are going more advanced in English language, so why not to go into advanced topics and more native or more natural topics that are for advanced students. So thing का मतलब है चीज. चीज वो वाला खाने वाला चीज नहीं, वो दूसरा. उर्दू में हम बोलते हैं ना, ये चीज वो चीज, मैंने ये चीज किया. बट हम लोग जिस तरह उर्दू के अंदर कहते हैं कि मैंने ये काम किया, ये मेरा काम है, ये मेरी चीजें हैं, इसके साथ हाथ मत लगाओ, हम लोग ये नहीं कहते कि क्या चीज है. बट इसका एक सिंपल आंसर है. हम लोग जिस तर्ज में ये कहते हैं ना, ये उसकी तरह है कि जिस तरह हम लोग कहते हैं कि वो जो है, जिस तरह लोग बोलते हैं ना, या जिस तरह पुश्तो में बोलते हैं दगा दगा, तो ये उस तरह तर्ज के अंदर हम लोग थिंग बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. दैट थिंग, यू डोंट रिमेम्बर दैट थिंग, यार आई फॉरगॉट दैट थिंग. व्हाट वाज दैट थिंग? द सेम वे दैट वी यूज द सीज फॉर एग्जांपल, या चीज, it can be thing, literal meaning. Now what can thing do, or what are the word thing used for? So thing is used for something that you, or something you don't know the name. What was that thing I gave you? What was that thing I had bought yesterday? तो थिंग इसलिए इस्तेमाल होता है कि जब हमें पता ना हो किसी चीज का नाम, या हमसे भूल चुका हो किसी चीज का नाम, तो हम उसकी जगह कहेंगे कि मेरी वो चीज कहाँ पर है जो मैंने कल खरीदी थी, मेरी वो चीज कहाँ पर है. Where is that thing I bought yesterday? What was the thing I gave you? So thing can be used when you don't know the name, can't remember the name. दोनों सिनेरियो लगभग एक जैसे हैं, या तो आपको नाम पता ही ना हो. What is that thing? तो आपको नाम पता ही नहीं है, आपको पता ही नहीं है. What is that stuff? What is that green thing? तो इसके अंदर आपको पता नहीं कि वो क्या है, बट इतना पता है कि ग्रीन है और एक थिंग है, तो आप कहते हैं what is that green thing? बट यूजुअली इन दिस केस सिनेरियो हम स्टफ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ना कि थिंग इन दिस सेंटेंस. या तो आपको नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, या what was that thing I gave you yesterday? What was the name of that thing I gave to Hasnain yesterday? Should I give you that thing? What do you call that? That thing, you know, spoon. Yes. So in this case scenario, you do not remember the name. You know what you are trying to speak. You have that image in your mind, but you forgot the name to that thing. You don't want to say the name. Where are my things? When somebody tells you that, what were your things? You say, they were my things. Where are my things? जब आपको बताना नहीं है किसी को स्पेसिफिकली कि हम क्या चीजें थी, जब आपको नाम लेना नहीं है, लाइक आप ये तो नहीं कहेंगे वेयर इज माई बैग एंड माई फोन एंड माई दिस एंड माई दैट. यू कैन से दैट, वेयर इज माई फोन, वेयर इज माई कीज, एंड वेयर इज माई मनी, वेयर आर माई मनी. So in this case scenario we won't specify, but we would rather say that where is, for example, where are my things? I don't want to say the name, I don't want to specify what were those things. For example, if you have a carton of some kind of things, yes, things. So if you have a carton of any kind of material or anything, so for that reason you can ask to people, where is my things? Where are my things? Where is the carton I gave to you? And here thing can refer to object, idea, action or events. Now, for example, what is that? Thing can refer to objects, ideas, actions, or events. For example, what is that thing called where people eat and they enjoy and people give money to children? Yes, it's Eid. Event. Now, lots of us don't forget events, but actions. What is that thing called when you run away from a person? Yes, frightened running, or running for your life. What is that thing, I told you about yesterday, like that idea I told you about, that thing, you remember? Oh yes, that idea. Yes, yes, I do remember. Objects. Where is my bag? So instead you can say, where is my things? Where is that thing? That thing, that thing. Where are my things? Please tell me, where are my things? In this case scenario. Now, a thing, two thing. Is this correct? No, it's wrong. A thing is singular, so it's correct. But in this case scenario, two things, S is needed. When you need a S, so for plural you will use S, and for singular you will use nothing instead of ES or IES. This was just a case scenario. Example, now we have some examples here with us too. What's that thing? वो क्या चीज है? What's that thing? What's that thing? I need to go to the thing. I need to go to a thing. अब आप ये नहीं बता रहे कि आपको कहाँ जाना है. लाइक आपको कॉल होती है कि पार्टी के लिए आओ, तो आप अपने दोस्त को कहते हो आई नीड टू गो टू द थिंग, तो लाइक आप नाम नहीं लेना चाहते, बट आप कह देते हो कि मुझे जाना है. सो दैट्स द केस सिनेरियो हियर. थिंग्स टेक टाइम. थिंग्स टेक टाइम. नाउ ऐसे यहाँ पर सॉरी किसी ने नहीं लगाया. सो थिंग्स टेक टाइम. In this case scenario, we are showing a different case. This isn't a part of any of those. You do not say that, but in this case, you do not want to say what the things are. Or for example, success takes time. You don't say success takes time. You say things take time. You don't specify. You do not say the exact word. You just don't want to say the exact word. Where are my things? It shows possession. आपकी पोजेशन, आपकी मलकियत दिखा रहा है कि आप किस चीज के मालिक हो, और आपकी मलकियत के रेफरेंस के ऊपर ये चला होता है. सो वेयर आर माई थिंग्स. दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट आवर टुडेज वीडियो. आई एम गोना डू अ नेक्स्ट पार्ट अपॉन स्टफ. इंग्लिश डेर ज्यादा आसान जुबान दे मुंगा असबे से चिदे दा डेर ज्यादा फखलु कदे तो गुरु ने दा डेर आसान अल्फाजो के दा नमाता स्टटीज को डेर ज्यादा आसान है. जान तेना टफ में जोड़ा हुआ है, जान तेना मुश्किलात में जोड़ा हुआ है. और दा मुश्किल की पसा चे मुंगा तेला टाइम ने वर्क. इफ वी गिव टाइम, अगर मुंगा टाइम वर्क हुआ से शिस्सा, तो आगे मदद सर बब्या मुंगा आगे शिस के खकीगु. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. प्रैक्टिस कवे दकवे कोशिश कवे चकला तस कोशिश ना कवे न तस प्रसंग कवे. This is all for today. Thank you so much for being with me, and Allah Hafiz.